Can probate be avoided in Utah? It's a good question. Many people ask whether probate can be avoided. And the answer is that probate cannot always be avoided entirely, but careful estate planning can significantly reduce probate involvement or even completely, depending on what's going on in your particular case. Probate exists to ensure that assets are transferred legally and that debts are addressed. And in Utah, probate procedures, they're governed by Utah Code Title 75, Chapter 3. You can look that up yourself. However, several estate planning strategies can allow assets to transfer outside of probate, so you can avoid probate in Utah. One common method is creating what's called a revocable living trust. You'll see that right there on the slide. When assets are transferred into a trust during the owner's lifetime, those assets are no longer owned individually, they're owned by the trust. And because the trust owns the assets, they can be distributed by the trustee without going through probate. Another method involves beneficiary designations. You'll see that there in the middle. Many financial accounts allow owners to name beneficiaries who receive the assets automatically upon death. Examples include retirement accounts, life insurance policies, POD or pay on death accounts. Now, another one here you'll see is implementing joint ownership. Joint ownership structures can also avoid probate. When you own something, for example, real estate is usually held in joint tenancy with rights of survivorship. That means it transfers automatically to the surviving owner upon the other one's death. Estate planning often involves coordinating these strategies so that assets transfer smoothly. And it's important to understand that avoiding probate should not be the only goal of estate planning. A well-designed estate plan also addresses tax considerations, asset protection, family needs, but reducing unnecessary probate complications is often a major benefit. Now look, I believe estate planning isn't really about money. It's about people. It's about making sure the people that you love aren't left overwhelmed, confused, or fighting with each other when you're no longer there to guide them. Everything that I do in estate planning is built around this one goal: protecting your loved ones and family when they need it most. So, if you'd like help designing an estate plan that simplifies asset transfers, protects your family, avoids probate, you can give me a call. I'm attorney Jeremy Eveland, 801-613-1472, or you can click on the link in the description box below, fill out an application, see if we'd be a good fit to work together. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks.